Oh, me. Hold on. There we go. Sorry. I have to do this over again. There. Hey, that looks pretty good. Look at that. Really good. And I'm like really shaking.